Hiya, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanaka. If you are new, if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. Today we have a natural hair video. As you can see, I can't stop touching my hair because it's just incredibly soft, and the color, coloring my hair for so many years now. But I've decided to make a little tutorial because you guys have been asking me how I color my hair, what I use. I really love it. I've been coloring my hair for so many years now, ever since I've gone natural. I think it's about 6 years since I've decided to go natural. And when I color my hair actually doesn't get damaged when I use Inecto, and it just remains the same. The curl pattern is not damaged, it's pretty much still the same. Find out how I color my 4C hair. Do continue to watch, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Let's start off by wearing some gloves to protect my hands from the chemicals that I'll be using. And you want to make sure that your hair is clean too. And I've just literally undone my cornrows, so my hair isn't like that dirty or extremely, well, it's a bit dry but not extremely dry. So I'll be using this Inecto hair dye, and I get this from Zimbabwe, and it's also available in Southern Africa. I don't know about Nigeria, West Africa, but it's not available in the UK or in Europe at all. I've tried, sourced on the internet, and it's not available to ship here. So I always stock up on it when I go back home to Zimbabwe. So I'll be using it in the shade Caramel, and this is my favorite one. As you can see, my roots have like completely started to come out. So yeah, it's time we get some color back in my hair. It's pretty simple to use. It comes with instructions. It comes with like a little conditioner. I never use this conditioner. It comes in the color, which is in a 50ml, and then it also comes with the color developer, and this is in 50ml as well. So we'll be mixing these two together. I'll be using 2 boxes. This is another packet. So you want to go in and pour in your color in a bowl, and I'll be using 2, like I said, because I have a big head. And then you want to go in with the color developer, and that will help lift up the color. And you want to pour 2 mixes because, you know, we've used 2 lots of everything. And then you want to mix that until it's a nice soft paste. Your hair into different sections. So I'm going to start with the roots, and you want to go section by section. As you can see, I have thoroughly massaged that into the hair and into the roots as well. And you also want to get your sideburns. You don't want to miss that out. The back of your hair. So now you just want to massage all the product into your hair. And as you can see, my hair color is already starting to change, especially the root. That's where my main problem was. I last colored my hair September, so this is now January, so it's been like a while now. Yeah. Now let's go and wash this out. So before I go in the shower, I like to twist my hair section by section. This allows me to really rinse out all the product in the shower, and also it gives me a semi-mini finger detangling before I go in the shower. So after I finish doing my twist, I then go in the shower and wash out all of the product, all of the hair dye, and as you can see, the color has come out so beautifully, and my curls and my hair texture is still very much intact and not damaged. And I like to go in with the Tresemme shampoo. I really love this because it leaves my scalp feeling very much clean, and my curls, as you can see, are popping. So after cleansing my scalp about 3 times, I like to go in with the Tresemme conditioner, and this is definitely top 2. After my Motions deep conditioning mask, it honestly leaves my hair feeling renewed and my curls feel really soft. After colouring my hair, washing it and shampooing it, this is the result. And the most important thing after colouring my hair is that I love to condition it, and I love to let it sit for at least an hour in this Motions Deep Conditioning Mask. And I honestly love this. And soft, and it restores so much moisture, because although colouring and dyeing your hair can be good, but sometimes it really strips the moisture from your hair with the bleach used and the colour developer. It definitely does the job to restore all the moisture, and this is the look, and I love it. I love it. I feel like it's very subtle, and it's a nice entry into colouring your hair if you're natural. If you don't want to go for something too loud, it's right in the middle, and it suits black women, and it just makes your skin look radiant. And yeah, it just really complements our features and everything else. So yeah, this is the state of my hair after. As you can see, I can completely run my hands through my hair and no shed. So yeah, it's a win-win. I definitely recommend you using Inecto if you are looking to color your hair, and I hope this has been useful and informative on how to color your hair if you have natural 4C hair like me, with shrinkage at that. So if you love this video, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see how you guys color your hair.